Howdy, y'all, and welcome to WordPress Wednesday. Today, we are looking at the very exciting task of updating plugins. Updating plugins regularly is one of the most important things to do in order to keep your website secure and free of malware. To get going, you will want to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, if you have updates available, you will see a red circle with the number of updates over here in the upper left-hand side of your screen. To get started with updates, click it. This will take you to the WordPress Updates page. On this page, you can update WordPress core, plugins, and themes. Today, we will just be updating plugins. Before we actually update, I want to add a disclaimer. While 98% of the time updates go through without issue, sometimes they do break things. Because of this, it is highly advised to create a backup of your entire website before making any updates. Okay, with your backup ready to go, check this box here to select all of the plugins. You can also select each plugin individually if you prefer. With all of the plugins that you want to update selected, click the Update Plugins button. Once the updating is successfully completed, we recommend checking out the front end of the site to ensure that everything is still working properly. If it's not, hey, at least you've got that backup. Restore your site to the backup and contact a WordPress professional. Hint, hint, that might be us, but no pressure. And that's all, folks. You now know how to update plugins on your WordPress site. If this feels like too much or you don't know how to create a backup of your WordPress site, reach out and we will tell you all about our support and care packages. Even our most basic package includes backups and weekly updates. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching.